So I overcame my challenges by basically creating a schedule wherein I would read specific chapters again and again in order to refresh my memory. Other than this, when I told the teachers about my problem, they gave me specific worksheets that would help me recollect these details quickly. Hi, my name is Kartik Shreekumar Nair and I am a student of the Pinnacle 2-year Integrated School Program at Fiitjee Mumbai Anzeri Center. I have secured an All India rank of in JEE Advanced 2021. I have secured a rank of 178 in JEE Mains 2021. I am a KVPY scholar with an SX rank of 6 and an SA rank of 4. My biggest problem was in chemistry and specific the memory based questions. So I would either forget a fact or mix two things together. So I basically overcame these challenges by creating a schedule to revise and revisit different chapters regularly, so I would pick them up. At the same time, since I mentioned my problems to my teachers, they gave me specific worksheets on these topics which would help me recollect this data faster. In the 4-year journey of my JEE preparation, the systems of Fiitjee have helped me greatly. Fiitjee has helped me become more regular and disciplined in my studies. So with the regular fortnightly tests and the All India test series, and now followed in 12th by regular weekly mock tests, I was able to iron out my deficiencies a lot and become more well-rounded in my JEE approach. But the teachers are always helpful and very eager to help me for whichever the next competitive exam or Olympiad was. They were also very motivating. So whenever, if I was really anxious before any exam, they would always be like, do you need to say anything? You'll do really well. So that was really comforting and it has really helped me achieve a lot. I'm very grateful to my parents, my teachers and my friends who have supported me on this journey, and to the systems of Fiitjee.